Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bookmark in Chrome. First, navigate to the web page you wish to save. Look for the star icon located on the far right of your address bar. Clicking this star will instantly bring up a small pop-up window. This window allows you to quickly add the current page to your bookmarks. It's a super fast way to save your favorite sites for later access, taking just a few seconds. Once the bookmark pop-up appears, you have important options. You can easily rename the bookmark to something more descriptive than the default page title. Below that, you'll see a drop-down menu to select a folder. You can choose an existing folder or even create an entirely new one right there. This helps keep your saved pages organized and easy to find later, preventing clutter. After saving, accessing your bookmarks is straightforward. If you have the bookmarks bar enabled, your new bookmark will appear there. For all your saved pages, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then hover over Bookmarks. You can also use the keyboard shortcut control +Shift+O to open the Bookmark Manager, which displays all your saved sites in one place. To keep your bookmarks tidy, effective management is key. You can easily drag and drop bookmarks on the bar to reorder them. For more options, right-click a bookmark or click the 3 vertical dots next to it in the manager. This allows you to edit its name, change its folder, or delete it entirely. Organizing into logical folders ensures you can always find what you need quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.